2. The mysterious base. About who is the one? Is the one in the mountain above? The strange people found it in the city before of the mall. What will happen if we found what is he hiding behind his pockets? Well, let us see if 130 Aurelius's own livery, because they followed a new island before when I just said it. But it wasn't the man. It was XV40. Why they won't shoot him? He is superstitious. Why? We don't know why XV40 is the one he contact missiles. What is he hiding? A dark secret? Maybe. He will destroy the world. Now, he's starting his engines. Why is he starting? What the? What the? The plane went gone. The plane was really suspicious. MV40 just escaped. And I just talk about it. MC-130 found all of this. And what will happen? The peoples will become hungry. And now MC-130 found all of this. Why is he become shooting? Also him. Before, his thing was gone before. Now he also found this all. What is he hiding? Let me check it out. Yeah, we need something to let's go MC-130 when you found the sword. For what? Today, let's go. Where? To the world. Where is XV40's goal? We're contracting him. Okay, we found it. Let me silence all my missiles and let me go tell to them and destroy the world. Not this jam. They won't catch them, and I will make something new. Some planes following me. What's that? hill. Well, missile trucks are there? No. They are not there at all. Where they are, my marchers. My AI controller planes are now doing this too. You're at the wrong direction. He's in behind you, of the mountain, behind of the mountain. Behind of the mountain? How did he get there? How did he get there? XV-40. Where is he? Are coming to catch me, XV-40. Attack! Contacting radio. We found it. Where? I found him. I found him with my camera. Some green thing is coming ahead. That's an XV-40. It's coming towards me. Above you. There's he! He's up in the sky! We found it! He's there! Yeah! They didn't find me! I have to take care of my missiles! Yeah!
Speed warning full up. Speed warning. Systems damage.
He already died! Oh, who will defeat that? But where is he? Where's the part? Where is he? Is he dead? There's another one. Who? Before he has some player. Who? He has some friend. Who's it? Another XV-40. Before, another XV-40 is coming. He is coming now, in this day. And now, you have to find them right now. MC-130. Did he will find it or no? This is the new XV-40. And this guy's got a new thing. Look, that's his name. XV-40. Just be quiet. Let's go and see. Is she screwing that again? Now where's he going? He's going to his missile trucks. The student of the missile trucks. There they are.
Terrain. Terrain.
500, 400, 300,
Terrain.
200,
Terrain.
100, 50, 40, 20, 10.
Is it everything is good now? Yeah, that's really good this day. What's your problem? Guys? What are you doing? I just asked my XP40. You are the one you died, and you have to leave us alone. Why? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? Why did you just say it? It was him, it's not me. It's you again. I tell about every 100 times. Oh my God! Wants to die now. That you listen that time? Why you are starting to shoot me? You are surrounded. What's your problem with you? What's the problem?
Systems damaged.
Because all of you both are the worst. Wait. Did they kill the sun trucks? Oh, that's why he's doing his plan. When he was brown, he was not blue. And he's super really suspicious. And I think that's just workers. Let's talk about it right now. Before we know that. Why is he doing that? Part 3. Okay. That looks good. Look, that's the new XV40. It's good, I think. Ventura, where is the guy? Yeah, because we are green, yes? And why don't I join with him? Because you 4 of you are green. There's 1, 2, 3, 5. But there's 5 of them. But there's 5, but there's 6, and there's 7. 7 of them are there. 7 cars. Because that's a trailer. Okay, you 5 of you. You have to do this right now. For one. This squad we are going. This squad is where we are going. We got XV40 inside. Got to MV40s. Come right now. Oh yeah. It's for that? Yes. Because I'm talking about that. Wait, map of the others. Oh yeah, just go front a little bit. Whose turn is now? It's my turn now. Okay, you both have our mission. For what? For what? Then my boss. I think you have to go. Okay, bye. Bye. I think you have to do something. What to do something? You have to do. Today we are the extermination squad. For what we are doing right now. You have to do something. Check everything. Okay, and close the door. You have to stay there properly.
Stall. Terrain.
They should be right
Terrain.
over
Pull
there.
up. Terrain. Warning.
Thank you, MV40. You are serving us. Please. Oh my God. Is it going to be all right? We survived. We survived. We still survived. Great job. He almost died. MV40, you're the best. Yeah, because I'm the only one who's the best. Because why? I was 252 years old. Because the new MS-26 just came now. And that's why. Without these, let's use teeth. That's super funny. Yeah. And I said I meant to go to that airport. I'm gonna try now. Because the missile trucks have a bridge, okay? And they'll come here. They can be teleport anywhere. Yeah, they'll teleport anywhere. And we should be careful until those beastiniks come. Then where are we going? Today we are going to the extermination squad. To the extermination squad? This is there. Extermination squad airport is here. About it, there was a ghost came in out of nowhere. It's a PV-40 ghost. This came out of nowhere. That airport. And weird things happened. UFOs? UFOs? Wow, how? How did they reach? Sometimes it will be really scary. As that there's some missile trucks out there. Okay, so this is where the C-130 Roman shaped nose was here. It was sitting for a while and it was noising house fuel. Yeah. And let's go to the somewhere. Where are we going? I'll drop you somewhere. Where? It's to the airport before when you lived. Okay. First is you. When you born till there. Bye bye. Bye bye, dude. Bye. See you tomorrow. I'll come back for later. And I'll come back. I'm going home. And it's your turn to go home. Okay? MV-40. Got to the side of the river.
Sync rate. Pull up.
Look at it. There's only one. Okay, I think bye. You are going home. Bye. Have a nice trip. They are in home now and they'll come back later. And this is end for the life. Them both.